What's up guys, my name's Connor and today I have a review for you guys on the Rolex Daytona in white gold with the blue dial. This is going to be reference number 116509. I'm going to be breaking down all the details of this watch as well as trying it on. So if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as it really helps me and my channel out. And with that said, let's get right into the video. So on first impression of this watch, you guys will notice the white gold 40mm case of this watch along with the white gold bracelet. It's going to have a blue dial with a sapphire crystal protected, and on the dial of this watch we will have 3 different clocks. So at 3 o'clock we're going to have our 30-minute counter, at 12 o'clock we have our seconds hand, and at 9 o'clock we have our 12-hour counter. Now these 3 clocks are what's going to make this watch a Cosmograph. So turning this watch to the side, we will have our starts and our stops for the Cosmograph. We will also have our trip lock triple waterproof system right here, which is going to make this watch waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. And then taking a closer look at the bracelet of this watch, we will have the Oyster bracelet with the flat 3-piece links right here, which will lead us to the Oyster clasp. We will also have a double lock here, meaning that you have to unlock it twice. And beneath that, we will have our 5mm comfort extension right here, so that if you're on the go and your wrist tightens or expands depending on the weather, you can always adjust it to fit perfectly how you want it to. And the last cool feature of this watch that I want to share with you guys is that both the hands and the markers of this watch are both luminescent, so even if it's dark outside, you will have no issue seeing the time. So who is this watch for? This watch is for someone with a little bit of a higher budget, maybe closer to the $50,000 mark. They don't want to be as flashy as the yellow gold or the rose gold. They want to have the cool little functions that come with the Daytona, and they want to have the pop that the blue gives paired with the white gold. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Any questions, make sure to leave down in the comments. If you guys like this watch or any of the other watches that I have on my channel, make sure to message me on Instagram at connor.langley or Facebook, just my name, Connor Langley, and let's get that watch on your wrist. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next video.